Hey, what's up? Xiaomi is one of the most popular manufacturers of wearable electronics. Even if you haven't heard about Xiaomi, you know the products of this company. This is Mi Band fitness trackers, Amazfit Bip and Amazfit Verge smartwatches and many other gadgets. Also, Xiaomi is cooperating with Xiaomi company, so most likely you know about all these gadgets by Xiaomi company. In fact, Xiaomi produces them. In this video, I want to tell you about the new Amazfit GTR. Also, I will explain you why it is not real smartwatch. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, Tech Brothers. The new Amazfit GTR is available in two sizes, 47 and 42 mm. As you understand, this is a dial size. Looking at the colors for two versions, I assume that 47mm model is for men, while 42mm version is for women. Also, you can choose the case material for new watch. It can be aluminium, stainless steel, titanium metal. There are also many colors: brown, red, pink, white, etc. If we talk about strap, it can be leather or silicone. The strap width of 47mm version is 22mm. The watch with smaller dial, 42mm, has a strap width 20mm. As you understand, the size and weight also differ depending on the case material, strap and dial size. The display size of 47mm version of Amazfit GTR is 1.39 inches, while 42mm version has 1.2-inch screen. As you can see, both of them have AMOLED panels, but different screen resolution. The display is covered by Gorilla Glass 3. Although the display is full touchscreen, the smartwatch has two physical buttons on the right side, power and function key. Also, I should say that Amazfit GTR has 5 ATM water resistance. It means that you can immerse the watch under the water up to 50 meters. As you can see, Amazfit GTR is available in different case materials, colors and even sizes. You can choose the most suitable one for you, and it is great! Now I want to tell you about the battery, because this is the main feature of a new smartwatch from Xiaomi. You can see a table with the battery life of each version of the watch in different uses. 42mm version of a new smartwatch has 195 mAh battery, while 47mm version comes with 410 mAh battery. As you can see, the battery life are very different. 47mm version lasts much longer. If we talk about main functions of Amazfit GTR, they're almost the same as many other fitness bracelets. Yes, I want to note that Amazfit GTR is not real smartwatch, because it doesn't have operating system. Also, you cannot install apps or insert SIM card. This is a fitness bracelet with a watch design. However, Amazfit GTR has NFC, so you can use it for contactless payment, but only in China. There is built-in GPS and GLONASS, so you can keep track of your movements. The watch also has many other sensors, such as 6-axis accelerometer, pressure sensor, heart rate sensor, and others. The standard functions include call and message reminder, weather, alarm clock, music control, stopwatch, compass. Amazfit GTR has 12 sport modes, such as running, walking, cycling, and even swimming. The price of Amazfit GTR starts from $120 for the version with 42mm dial size and $145 for 47mm model. So Amazfit GTR looks very interesting, but you should understand that it is not real smartwatch. It doesn't have Play Store and you cannot install Android apps. Also, it doesn't support SIM cards. We already reviewed real smartwatches, for example Costpad Brave or Zipless Soul Pro, but they have only 1-2 days of battery life. Amazfit GTR provides up to 20 days of battery life on a single charge and even more. If you need a watch for sports, then Amazfit GTR is a good option. Thanks for watching this video, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel Tech Brothers. See you next time!